Okay, we're looking at the mixed exercise 11 from the first year core textbook. So we're looking at vectors, and we're on the last question, yay. So 14, it's an exam question, only 3 marks, so hopefully nothing too horrible. Okay, so it's accelerating at, hang on, this question doesn't really make sense. So it says it's accelerating at a constant speed. I think that's supposed to say constant acceleration. Okay, so hoping nobody spent too long wondering about what that meant. Okay, so let's assume that says it's accelerating at a constant rate and a constant acceleration. Okay, so we've got its initial velocity, and we've got its velocity after 2 seconds, and then they even sort of tell us how you work out acceleration. So let's get on to that. So acceleration is v. So for us, that's 15I minus 3j. Minus u, which they've told us is 3I plus 4j, all over t, and this happens between t is 0 and t is 2, so that's over 2 seconds. Okay, so acceleration is going to be, 15I minus 3I, so 12I minus 3 minus 4j, just be really careful with that minus there. So minus 7j all over 2, so 6I minus 7 over 2, or 3.5j. Okay, so that's acceleration, and then this comes up a lot. So this idea of finding magnitude of a vector, and it comes up a lot in mechanics. So if it's velocity, they will ask for the speed. If it's displacement, they will ask for the distance. There isn't a special word for the magnitude of acceleration, so they will just ask for the magnitude of the acceleration. But either way, it's basically, so the acceleration is 6I, so 6 to the right, minus 7 over 2, so 7 over 2 down. So that is our acceleration vector. They want the magnitude of that, so that is just Pythagoras. And because I'm squaring, I don't really care that it's minus 7 over 2. When I square it, it's not going to make any difference. So 6 squared plus 3.5 squared, all square rooted. So in exact value, that's coming up as root 193 all over 2. So if I get that to 3 significant figures, the magnitude of the acceleration is not, just about to see that on the bottom there, 9.65 meters per second. Sorry, 6.95. I just said that wrong. 6.95 meters per second squared. Let me just quickly check that. Yeah, we're good. Yes, so not a bad question to finish on.